Hello, in this video I will show you how to take screenshot on Windows 11. So to take a screenshot on Windows 11 you have to press a combination of keys Windows, Shift and S. And as you can see here it will open an application and you can use this button to take a crop of your desktop as a screenshot. This button will take your active window as a screenshot, and this button will simply take your full screen as a screenshot. And your screenshots are saved in your clipboard. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.